gotta take a look at this.
It's in Arabic. Baseplate, this is Bravo 6. We've found it. Ready to secure package for transport.
No time, Bravo 6. 2 bogeys headed your way fast. Grab what you can and get the hell out of there.
Fast movers. Probably mixed. We better go.
So, grab the manifest in the container. Move! All right, everyone topside. Double time. Croft, Griffin, what's your status?
Already in the helicopter, sir. Enemy aircraft inbound. Shit! They...
Bravo 6, come in. Bravo 6, what's your status?
Shit! What the hell happened? The ship's sinking. We've got to go now.
6, come in, damn it.
Big Bird, this is Bravo 6. We're on our way out. On your feet, soldier. We are leaving. Get to the catwalk. Move, move, move.
Move your asses. Come on, let's go.
Move on. Little freaking Blue's Clues. My friend Steve, he like Blue's Clues. He does this, blinding lights. Fortnite does like this. Oh, he's like this. You know Blue's Clues, right?
Look over here. Oh my gosh, got a surprise for my daddy.
Oh, look at this fit, bro. Bro. Big Brother Bravo 6, we are on our way out. On your feet, soldier. We are leaving.